Welcome back, traders. In today's video, I will explain a complete smart money concept trading setup on the 1-hour time frame. I have marked each part on the chart step by step so you can clearly understand how institutional movements work. Let's begin. The first thing we notice on the 1-hour time frame is a clear break of structure. Price was previously moving upward, creating higher lows, but then a strong bearish candle breaks below the last major higher low. This break of structure tells us that the previous upward trend has shifted, and the market is now being controlled by sellers. This becomes the foundation of our bearish bias. After the break of structure, the market retraces upward and takes out the liquidity resting above the previous swing high. This movement is known as a liquidity sweep. The purpose of this sweep is simple. Institutions collect remaining buy-side orders before pushing the market in their true direction. Once liquidity is taken, the market becomes ready for the continuation of the downward move. Next, we identify the order block, which is the final bullish candle before the strong downward displacement began. This area represents the exact point where institutional traders placed their large sell orders. When price returns to this order block, it provides a high probability zone for entering a sell trade because this is where smart money is active. Below the current price level, we can see a clean line of lows where multiple traders have placed their stop-loss orders. This is known as sell-side liquidity. This zone becomes our logical target because institutions aim for these liquidity pools to fill their positions and complete the market cycle. When price retraces back into the order block, we prepare for our sell position. This is the ideal entry because all conditions are aligned. The market has already broken structure, liquidity has been swept, price has returned to the institutional sell zone. The final target is the sell-side liquidity below. Once price taps into the order block, we open the sell trade. The stop-loss is placed safely above the order block, and our take-profit target is positioned at the sell-side liquidity level. As the chart shows, price drops exactly as expected and moves cleanly from the order block straight into the target. If you want more deep smart money concepts breakdowns and want to master institutional trading models, make sure you follow Discount Trader for more complete step-by-step explanations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.